Making connections. Boost your listening comprehension by linking new and prior knowledge. Hello, language learners. Today, we are going to delve into a powerful strategy for enhancing your English listening comprehension skills, connecting new information to prior knowledge. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to use what you already know to understand and retain new information from academic lectures and presentations. Let's jump in. Active listening is a key part of any language learning journey. But what exactly does it mean? Active listening involves fully focusing, understanding, responding, and then remembering what is being said. You're not just hearing the words, you're absorbing them, processing them, and applying them in a meaningful context. Now, let's dive into our main topic. Connecting new information to prior knowledge means linking what you're learning now to what you already know. This method can significantly boost your understanding and memory retention. But how do you do it? First, when you encounter new information, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, what does this remind me of? Where have I seen something like this before? Once you find the link, it becomes easier to grasp the new concept. This approach works because our brains are wired to find patterns and make connections. We learn by association, by linking new experiences to our existing mental frameworks. When listening to an English academic lecture or presentation, start by actively recalling what you already know about the topic before the lecture begins. As the lecture progresses, try to relate the new information with your pre-existing knowledge. For example, if you're listening to a lecture about climate change and you already know about the greenhouse effect, connect any new information about global warming to this concept. After the lecture, review the material and reinforce the connections you've made to strengthen your memory and understanding. It might take some time to get used to this technique. Here are a few tips. Always keep an open mind. It's okay to pause a lecture to give yourself time to make connections. Make notes, if possible. This helps reinforce the connections you've made. The more you practice, the better you'll become at making quick, useful connections. And that wraps up our discussion on connecting new information to prior knowledge to improve your English listening comprehension. Remember, active listening is not a passive activity. It involves engagement, analysis, and critical thinking. So, the next time you're listening to an academic lecture or presentation, try to link what you're learning to what you already know. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.